What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying, and today's video is about some recovery stocks that I need you to put your eye on and check out how they're performing. Listen, guys, if I helped you in any way, whether I was help you make some money or give you a new perspective on the stock market, please make sure you like and subscribe and join us on the journey. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay, guys, the down day continues, okay? A continuation from last week hit us this week as well. However, I told you it's always a bull market somewhere in the stock market, and that's what I'm going to show and identify for you all today. Listen, man, I'm going to talk very briefly with you about your mindset and the psychology of what you experienced today. I want to hear what my people at and how you guys handle a day like today, giving last week as well. Okay, so again, always just checking in just to make sure that we are again handling these situations and these type of days in the market the right way as an investor, not as a gambler. Okay, but listen, guys, today I'm going to talk to you about some recovery stocks, and I'm going to kick things off with Disney. Ticker symbol DIS, sitting at $193.37. Guys, by far this is my favorite and most compelling recovery play. Okay, you add in the streaming service as well as the parks, I can't see why this play wouldn't get to 300 easily. Okay, however, it is showing significant strength. Look at how it did on the day, up over 4%, and it's still going strong even after hours. A phenomenal day for Disney. Listen, guys, this is my favorite recovery play. I just want to be not only transparent, but just revisit the fact that in case you are unclear or don't know, this is the number one play that I'm banking on in terms of the play that will do the best once the recovery happens. Okay, I have a $300 price target on this. That's how bullish I am on this particular play. Listen, guys, this is also a big dog, and I often tell you, as an investor, I can't talk to my gamblers and people that's short term and thinking and that's got a whole different agenda. I'm talking about my investors. Okay, those of you that's in it for the right reasons, in it for the long haul, and in it to build real wealth, not get rich quick. Okay, this to me is a play that you want to have. Okay, especially with the room to run that it has. Streaming is going to be competing with Netflix. Okay, I still think Netflix is a big dog in terms of streaming, but this play is right there. Then you got to think about when the parks open, when the cruises starts again, how much money this company will be pulling in on a consistent basis. Just keep your eye on Disney. I just had to revisit it today because it had an excellent day on a day like today. American Airlines, ticker symbol AAL, sitting at $20.67. You guys know about this one. I told you you can put this one on a chopping block. For those that didn't pivot out of this into something else, again, major salute, is okay. However, I'm still highlighting for you plays that will do well. Okay, even if it takes a little longer, with a little patience. Okay, you should be learning a lot about patience with plays like Golden Nugget and APXT, but with a little patience, you've seen what this play was able to do. Matter of fact, this one was up as high as 21 on today, and again 9% on the day, almost 10%, and up 1% after hours. That's 10% right there. Again, guys, this play is starting to wake up a little bit. Boeing, another recovery play that I like. They had some issues. They were going strong, but when they floundered, this play picked up steam. Southwest picked up steam. Delta picked up steam. You guys need to know the interworkings of how one other situation can impact another situation. In this case, Boeing's faults helped propel American Airlines. Guys, I just wanted to highlight this today because I told you, regardless if you pivoted or not, that's not about this. Okay, this is a type of recovery play along with one other one that I'm going to show you that will again outperform your other plays like tech and things like that. And last but not least is the financials. Right here, guys, we have Bank of America, ticker symbol BAC, sitting at $35.23, up over 1.5% on a day, still doing this thing after hours. I told you guys, this is the importance of being diverse. While you have some plays are down, you're going to have some plays that are winning in a massive way. There's always a bull market somewhere. I just went and showed you 3 that we are in on this 100K challenge, okay? And so guys, again, there will be up days, there will be down days, but never get caught up in the day-to-day fluctuation. Just had to put these guys on you. Up next, we have our word of the day, and our word of the day is panic sell. Listen guys, I love to revisit panic selling for especially my new and beginning investors on days like today, okay? And then if you ride the momentum from last week into this week to still have another down day again. I told you guys about a correction, a 5 to 10% correction. And again, whether it's in some of your plays or in totality to the stock market, you're experiencing a little bit of that. No need to fret. Stay 10 toes down, okay? This too shall pass. You guys can learn how to manage and ride these waves, okay? For some of you, there's going to be opportunities to buy more shares at a lower cost. For some of you, it's going to be an opportunity to buy the dip. For some of you, there's going to be an opportunity to average down. And for some of you, depending on where you're at, you may just need to hold, okay? Every single day in the market doesn't mean you have to make a move. Sometimes the move to make is to be still, okay? So I want to know how many of you panic sold today. I want you guys to keep it real. I want to know how many of you stayed 10 toes down and didn't waver at all, okay? Regardless of where you are on the spectrum, I love it all. I respect it all. I understand people are all over the place in terms of where they're at on their investment journey. So there's nothing wrong. I just want to make sure that I'm checking in on the people, okay? But listen, guys, panic selling is what you don't want to do. You want to refrain from a day where your stock may be down for you to sell. Again, it's never a loss if you don't sell when it's down, okay? That's just a paper loss, okay? You won't realize it unless you actually make a physical move, okay? I never want you guys locking in losses. I don't want you guys locking in any stock that's having a down day. I don't care if it's Golden Nugget. I don't care if it's APXT. All of that will bounce back, okay? Volatility, consolidation, all of that stuff is a part of being in the stock market. Day-to-day fluctuations means very little to us true investors. Up next, guys, we have our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from Robin Akins Dowdell. Hey Chris, thanks for everything that you do. I'm new to this and I've told my family member about your channel. My question is, how do you know when to sell your option plays? Robin, this is a phenomenal question, guys. And you know I love options. I do them each and every day. We even have what's called our weekly option plays. Listen, in terms of when to sell your option plays, typically what you want to do is anytime you're up, okay, that's first and foremost. That's a no-brainer. However, to be more specific, if you are above your strike price and your break-even price, you want to be again looking to take profits. Sell, aka take profits, are the same thing, okay? Those words are interchangeable. So if you hear someone saying take profits, that's just another way to sell. If you hear someone say sell, that's just another way to say take profits, okay? Listen, if you are up 20%, 30%, 40%, or 50%, you want to consider selling as well. I often talk about and preach about not being greedy. Okay, and it's easy in the stock market to see your plays rising and you want to hold too long, not knowing that in a blink of an eye, it could turn just that quick and start heading downward. So I want you guys to have that range set. It's kind of similar to our easy money plays. If you're up 20 to 50%, same thing with our option plays. You want to be looking towards taking your profits, okay? Also, when you are above your break-even point in your option play, now it's time for you to start thinking about how far you want to let it ride and before you begin to take profits, okay? So listen, guys, there's all type of price points you can take profits on. One thing I want to make note of, though, is that you don't have to hold to the expiration date. Please, if anybody has heard this, make sure you help somebody in the comments section, aka the VIP section, that may ask this question. You don't have to sell or hold to the expiration date. You don't have to hold your plays until the expiration date. You can sell the first day you get your option play. You can sell the second day. You can sell at any point in time that your play is up. Always know that, guys, because I don't want you to miss out thinking, oh, we chose February 26th. I got to hold it to February 26th. No, if your play is up and you're making money and you're satisfied, go ahead and take profits. Sell out of that play Wash your hands of that. Job well done. Move on to the next play. Listen, guys, I hope that was helpful. If you have questions or comments, leave them below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. Listen, I make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll see you all in the next one.